If you have currently lost your job due to massive layoff for COVID-19, this video is for you. Just keep on watching. If you have been laid off by your previous organization, or you have been sent to a furlough, or you have been asked to resign during this global pandemic, please don't worry, don't demotivate yourself, don't think that you won't get another job. Yes, it is difficult to manage another job in this pandemic thing when everybody is worried and all the organizations are laying off employees. But there are certain organizations who are doing their bit of contribution and for the mankind and helping employees to come over to them, and they are hiring employees. So while you are searching your dream job, please don't get disheartened that you are not employed somewhere and you are facing this issue. It will be fine within some days or months after the vaccine or medicines are invented, and eventually things will fall into place. Organizations will hire, and whenever you are going for an interview, never disrespect your abilities or the opportunities you have got throughout your life. Be grateful for whatever you have. Interviewers ask this question to know about a particular time frame when you were not working, or the employment gaps in your resume. However, if the global pandemic of COVID-19 has hit everybody, you have to explain the circumstances of your previous employer with respect to layoff for COVID-19. The interviewer asks this type of question to know about the time frame for your employment gaps in your resume. In this scenario, the employer would like to know about the reasons of layoff. What were the difficulties your previous organization was facing? If the layoff decision was a global business decision or based on performance issues. Additionally, if you are unemployed for a longer period of time after the layoff, they would like to know what you were doing during that time period, how you kept yourself motivated and engaged yourself. They would also like to know if you were trying some sort of part-time or online jobs to earn a living. Interviewer wants to know the reason behind the layoff and what you were doing during the layoff. This global pandemic has hit worldwide and across all businesses and organizations. So the interview you are appearing, the interviewer already knows the situation. So this question answer should be given in very short and crisp manner without many such explanation for the layoff. You have to give your answer in a very short and simple manner, introducing some facts and some figures that will demonstrate that you know about the various causes and effects after the global pandemic has done to the industry. And after that, you can also explain your value you have added to your previous organization, or what all benefits you have gained from your previous organization amidst this global pandemic. Additionally, you can also explain your past experience and how you will use those experience in the recent job, current job, or if you get placed in that particular company. Now it is the time for sample answer. In just initial 15 weeks of coronavirus pandemic, over 48 million jobs were lost. As employees are typically the largest expenses, my previous employer closed many of the business verticals. Only a handful of employees were selected to stay with him to continue the business process. I am fortunate enough that I have received almost 50% deducted salary and health related coverage and insurance benefit for the next 3 months after I was laid off. I didn't lost all my hopes. I continue motivating myself. I have enrolled myself for the course of an online tutor and I am teaching students to prepare for their examinations. I was searching thoroughly for the job offer and recently I have got into touch with you, and I am fortunate enough that I am sitting here at this point of time being interviewed by you.